Hey folks, we're wrapping up summer eats here with this quick and easy spinach and iceberg radish salad. But for all your cooking and prepping needs, indoor and out, check out our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's prep, y'all. We have a head of iceberg lettuce here. Take off the plastic. Now our market, they come pretty clean, so we'll pull off a layer or two and then cut off the core. But you can give your lettuce a quick rinse or two if you see any dirt or any fruit flies. Since this was brand new, I just put off the top 2 layers and we're good to go. This is our core. We'll cut this off and recycle in your compost or dispose. Once we've cut that core off, we're going to show you how to make a quick and easy salad, as we just got back from a trip with family and all we heard was the word work, work, work. Sometimes we feel so overwhelmed with work we don't have time to make nutritious, healthy, quick meals. Well, this one you can make quick and easy in under 10 minutes. We're just going to cut this down into bite-sized pieces, but this inner part, we'll pull this out as it can tend to be harder to chew, so pull this out and get rid of it. We do this for both sides, so let's speed the video up. And as always, there's no exact science to this. As you see, we're just going to cut this down into some squares. Now you don't want them super huge because you want to have small bites. So we'll cut this down maybe into about 6 squares. However, it's up to you. And you can mix and match lettuce. If you want to use arugula, any other type of lettuce, go ahead and be my guest. We're going to add a little spinach to this mix. Again, this is just a quick and easy recipe. Next, add some baby spinach or whatever other lettuce you have in your fridge. Now we cut off the stem part here, so put them in a pile, cut off the tails as we call them, cut them in half so you don't have huge pieces. The easiest way, as T will demonstrate here, is stack them all in a pile, have all your tails together, and then you can easily just cut them off. Now you can't eat it with these on there, but they get stuck in your teeth and it looks horrible. So we're going to cut those off. We're also going to cut them in half, as the tinier spinach pieces will be easier to chew on, and then we'll add those in. Here's a couple of rinsed off and brushed radishes we prepped before. You'll cut off both ends, and these you want to cut them as thin as possible, folks. You don't want a big chunky bite. These will add some additional flavor and crunch and color to your salad. And though radishes are optional, they're a great add-in. If you don't have things like red onions, radishes are healthy, and if you cut them thin, they'll give your salad some bite and some color. Just remember, you don't want big pieces, so make sure you chop them in the middle or you cut them down into fourths as we've done here. We'll put these in the middle of the salad to make a row, and as you can see, you can tell the difference in sizes. That's why you want to cut them in half so you're not getting big bites on your fork. Cut them into bite-sized halves, and remember folks, the thinner these are cut, the better they are. So let's spread those down the middle. We'll add in some petite or cherry tomatoes, roll these on your board, and again folks, use what you have. We had these left over from another recipe. Get that out of here. Now of course, we've pre-washed and cleaned these. Again, we use these on a different recipe and had some left over, so we're going to use them for our salad. Now these can tend to get very mushy, so you only want to do one cut. Cut them in half, should be just fine. These will cut in half, but we're not big tomato lovers, but they go perfect in this salad. We'll speed the video up and add these in. Last, we have some pre-cut cucumber slices in the fridge. We'll cut these in halves, and these are a good fresh snack to keep in the fridge all the time, as you can put pepper or Italian dressing on them and just eat them. As we tend to just go for snacks like chips and other things that maybe we shouldn't eat so much, these are a quick and easy snack. Like I said, don't drown them in Italian dressing. You can just have them ready to use for salads like this and just cut them in half or into fourths when you're ready, or eat them plain by just adding some either raspberry vinaigrette, Italian dressing, some black pepper, or some Dash seasoning, whatever you choose. But it's a quick, fun, easy snack. It's way better than the greasy chips or sugary sweets that we might want to eat, and it's a go snack that can always be ready to go in the fridge for you or the family. Now we have all those cut, just arrange everything in rows and you can shake it when you're about to serve. Also, we have some croutons here. They make different flavors at the store, so choose what you like. We chose Caesar. Go ahead and pour those on, and there's our salad. This is something you can leave in the fridge to just grab and go at any time you want something to eat. It's quick and easy, and as you can see, it's also beautifully appealing, but with flavor. You don't want something that just looks good, you want it to taste good as well. And that's the purpose of the different vegetables, also the seasoning. This is a quick and easy salad you can add to any dinner or have for lunch. And oh yes, don't forget the black pepper on top, or add any other seasonings too of your choosing. We did not film this part, but we did add some shredded cheese in there as well too. You go to the restaurant and pay $9, $10, $12 for this salad anyway. Why not make it yourself and not have brown lettuce or big pieces of white lettuce in there that aren't edible? This you can ensure all your ingredients are fresh, delicious, and taste good, and you're feeding your family a wholesome good appetizer or adding it along with the meal. And this is the part we talk about. T's gonna go ahead and shake this up before serving. This will mix all of your ingredients up together and toss it really well. Just make sure you have a really sealed lid so nothing falls out, and then you're ready to go.
Turn it over, toss, turn, and toss a bit more. Bang it so there's nothing stuck to the top, and voila. That sure is a beautiful salad. So colorful. An expeditious, delicious, and surely nutritious meal alone or as a side for any time. Of course, you can omit, add, or swap any of the ingredients of your liking. And it's pretty meal planning friendly because the pre-made salad will last for up to 7 days when stored in an airtight container. So eat up and enjoy. And as always, thanks for prepping with B&T.